Hi there. This is the fourth in our series of videos, and in this one, looking at Constant Contact, we are going to take a look at some of the editing bells and whistles and things that it can do that might be really helpful for us. Again, just reviewing, we have our newsletter here in front of us. Everything is there. The articles that we already worked on. We understand how these blocks work, that each block kind of represents a different article. It can be edited independently. We can also delete blocks. I'll just do one as an example. We'll take that block. If you click on the trash can, it'll ask you for confirmation. Yes, and that block is gone. There's lots of other things that this can do as well. You can add different kinds of blocks. If you click on over here on the left, this Add Blocks link, all sorts of block opportunities pop up for us. A header, which is this one, is already in there. A company logo often will sit above. I tend to not use that. I'll just insert the logo into a block we already have. Same as we did with putting in a graphic or a photo in the second or third video. Lots of different kinds of things. There's a that we can do. You can add new blocks. There's what's called feature articles and articles. Feature articles are the ones that appear in this sidebar to the left. They're just sort of usually short things that point to a website article someplace. You can add a new one simply by clicking on Add, and then the new article drops in here at the bottom. Again, you could take that then and move it up or down or wherever you want by just dragging it someplace and then clicking, and that's where it goes, and then you edit it same as you do any other block. You can add regular article blocks by clicking on article block, and it creates a new article right here at the bottom just above the closing footer of the document. You can create quick links, promotions. Dividers are these lines here that appear that just sit between articles to create a little division there. It's kind of cool. You can create a coupon block. This one already has one actually built into it at the bottom. If you wanted to do something, an event or whatever, and you wanted to create a coupon or some special thing, create a coupon block at the bottom that they can print and or whatever and use. It's kind of cool. One thing about the table of contents block that's sort of neat, if you click on Edit Table of Contents, a different kind of a box pops up. This one lists the articles that are in your newsletter and then says you can identify them. So like this one, it already identifies Extravaganza is coming. That's the article that we worked on in one of the other videos. So we just changed the headline to Extravaganza is coming. And in this one, you might want to say a different kind of a headline. Robbie is cool. Just pick that at random. Don't let it go to your head, Robbie. Whatever, you save it, you close it, and then it creates these links. And so if someone were to click on this in the preview form, then it would actually jump down right to that particular article. Extravaganza is coming, whatever it would be. So that's kind of a cool thing. Again, we'll exit the preview. To do other kinds of editing as well, you can change colors and fonts in here. There are options. You might want to change the colors of the borders, the columns, the right columns, whatever it would be. You can change generically through the whole article the font that is used for headlines. You can change the font that's used for introductions or for main articles, whatever it would be. Just play around with these things and get a look that you like and that you're comfortable with. There really are no rules. You know, want it to look good because it comes in the network's name, but really you have a lot of creative freedom in terms of what this looks like. So play around with those. It's really hard to hurt it. You can also, by clicking on Edit for a particular article, you can let's see here, click on Spell Check. It will check the spelling in that particular article, and if there's a word in there it doesn't recognize or identify, it's unavailable. Usually that works. Don't know why that's not working right now. Undo, one of my favorite buttons. Lots of opportunities, things to do. So I just encourage you to look around and see what's going on. You can create a link for a word by highlighting the word itself. Take the word introduction, create a link, and then just like in Word or another program like that, there's the word. You create the link you want and hit insert, and it converts that word into a link. And we already talked about how to insert images. Again, a lot of good stuff. We encourage you to take a look and play around with it. Thanks so much. Have a great day.